Today we're going to learn how to put some retrofit hi-hats up into those ceilings. So this is what it looks like now, and then in a few minutes we're going to make holes and then take another video shot. As you see, we have two existing boxes up there that we need to take out and also put the lights in those places. These are the first two. We're getting done. Now we got the other three holes cut. Got one more to cut. And then we put them in. Like we put this one in over here. Okay. So this is what the finished product looks like. Looks pretty good. We have two set of switches. See, one for that one and one for those. So we cut them in by hand with a 6-inch and then used a drywall saw, roped them in, and now it's finished.